3709 has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage, and tons of updates inside. Let's take a look. Mature trees are one of the many things that Wedgwood is known for. They're also known for some foundation movement. Fortunately, this house has had foundation repair done with a lifetime transferable warranty. Also, the plumbing has been updated. No more cast iron pipes. This one has PVC. You enter into the formal entry with accent ceiling, hand trowel texture. You have new flooring throughout the entire house. Is this vinyl? There's no carpet in any of the home. To your right, you have a front living and dining area, which has this accent bay window here, which is a nice little touch. Can lights. So this would be your formal dining, and then this area here would be your front living area. It does have access over into the kitchen, which we'll take a look at in a sec. Crown molding throughout those two spaces, which is pretty ornate actually. You have a closet here off the front, coat closet, and then you enter into the main living room. This has beams, has a wood burning fireplace with a gas stub. And then you have a door out to the backyard. It's a good sized backyard there. So if we continue on towards the right, we go into the kitchen, which has granite countertops, white cabinets. It has plenty of space, plenty of cabinets and storage in general. You have a second dining area that looks out on the backyard. It has another nice little bay window. And it also has a really good sized pantry. Continuing down, you have your laundry room, which has a door out to the backyard and additional storage. And then you have a half bath, which is a nice touch because a lot of homes in this era really did not have a half bath. It would just be the 2 bedrooms. And then out to the garage, so you can see all of the piers that were put in. It was done by MBR Foundation Repair, which is a very reputable foundation company here in North Texas. It has a lifetime transferable warranty, so the new homeowner will have the benefit of that, as well as you can see the beam plate there on this garage door has been replaced, and that's an insulated garage door. It also has a sprinkler system, some extra storage in here. As we continue over to the other side of the house, I wanted to point out some nice little features like the backsplash in here, and then also these older homes sometimes have some cool character things like this built-in cutting board. You don't see that on newer homes these days. I also wanted to show that there is an outlet already for a TV over the fireplace if you chose, and there's a gas stub if you wanted to do like a gas insert or gas log. So heading from this living room to the bedroom wing, you have 4 bedrooms on this side. So you have bedroom 1, we'll take a look at in a second. Then you have 2 additional bedrooms, and then the primary, which is there. So this one has what we call a Hollywood bathroom, where it has hall access, but it also has access from the bedroom. You have a nice deep linen closet here. And then headed into this first bedroom, the windows are cased, which is a nice little extra touch. You also have can lights in here and crown molding. This bedroom also has not 1 but 2 closets, which makes for lots of extra storage. You have a sink in this portion of the hall bath, as well as all of this storage. But then you also have a sink in the actual bathroom portion that has the WC and the shower. So it's kind of a nice touch to have real shower tile and have a separate sink, and then have the other sink there for kiddos or whoever is sharing this bathroom to use that sink without being in the way for the toilet or the shower. Continuing down the hall, we head into bedroom number 2. This room also has that crowned molding, has a ceiling fan, has a good sized closet, just kind of the standard size for most secondary bedrooms. Continuing on, we have another closet here. In this bedroom number 3. Number 3 looks out on the back patio, and it has a nice built-in desk space there. And this room has a huge walk-in closet. So this would be the front room is bigger and has 2 closets. The middle room is kind of standard. This third room has a walk-in closet plus this extra office space. And then this is the primary, because this has the ensuite. So this is bedroom number 4. And this also has a walk-in closet. It's about the same size as the last bedroom over there, but this one has an ensuite. So it has also granite countertops, extra storage. It has a nice shower with frameless, it also has a chirping fire detector. But it's all of the bedrooms are really good size, especially for the age of the home. Headed out into the backyard, you will notice this large covered patio. That's the door that comes from the laundry room. You have the bump out for where the dining area is. And then a flat backyard, great for throwing a ball or entertaining. And it does have a little storage shed over there. And this is 3709 Ashford Avenue in Fort Worth, Texas, 76133. And we are situated in Wedgwood community, which is no HOA, is a well-established neighborhood in South Fort Worth. Thank you for watching Living in Fort Worth.